Hello again. Here's a tip of how to create these nice series of dots along a line. So, how can we do that? I'm going to start by drawing a line with the pencil tool, and let's make this slightly longer, and you can do any line. You can also draw a circle, of course. So there we have the line, and now to get the dots, follow it, what we can use is dashes. So in order to get a pointed stroke, we should of course make a fatter stroke, and then let's go into the stroke panel. And in order to get dots, what you do is set the cap to rounded, turn on the dashed line and set the dash to 0 and the gap to something like, let's do 20 and see what this looks like. They are quite dense, so let's do 40, like so. Okay. Now, in order to have them change, we need to apply a second or third or fourth stroke to this. And then the dashes need to be at the exact same position. And in order to get that, we also need to change these two settings. We need to set this one to exact, like so. You see, they have shifted slightly. And now we can continue using the appearance panel. And then let's just take this, make a duplicate, and make an even fatter one, go into the options and set this to something different. And we need to use multiplies of it. So let's set this to 80. And then we have this nice changing of small dots and larger ones. And of course, you can also set a different color. And now you see how this one has been created. Let's take a look at it, and you see it has 4 strokes and they all have different settings. So this one here is set to 40, and then this one is 320, which is 8 times 40, and then we have this one, and you see they are all multiples of 40, and that's why this trick works. So very simple, and you can do that with circles following a path.